What is up, guys? Welcome back. Thanks for being a part of Not Your Father's Capital. And today I'm going to give you guys a very quick update on Cardano and why a boost is coming. Okay, so you're going to want to stick around in this video. Hit that subscribe button. Join the team here. We cover Cardano as well as all of your favorite cryptos. Just giving you guys up-to-date news and information as we get it. All right, so first, let's get down into the charts. Let's take a quick look at where Cardano is trading on the day. Essentially flat, okay, as we enter the weekend, trading hands at that 34 cents level. So Cardano has had a very interesting month, to say the least, okay. So if we look back and see kind of getting up into the 41 cents level and retracing some of the losses coming back of 2022, and then since falling down into the 34 cents level, still ranked 7th in total market capitalization, basically picking up a spot along the way. But when we talk about Cardano, what's important is I think it's that 50 cents level, guys. Breaking through that psychological barrier, getting back to something like that would mean that the overall market, when we talk about like the macro side of things, that means that we're getting some headway as it relates to regulation, inflation. We're seeing some good data, and I think the market will react positively. So I think when we talk about Bitcoin, it's 25K. When we talk about Cardano, it's 50 cents. That's what I'm looking for. So that's kind of what I'm plugging along as I look at my Cardano positions to get back to in the intermediate future. Okay, so this is what I got for you when we talk about why we could see a boost and rally with Cardano. All right, so despite the broader markets that Cardano will fall in line with, we need to talk about the transparency policy, IOG, and that is the parent company of the Cardano protocol, releasing their weekly performance update of the proof of stake network. Okay, so what we are seeing is a total of 117 projects have been launched on Cardano, with exactly 1,209 projects building on it at the moment. Okay, so essentially, when we talk about that, that is almost 10% projects have been launched in ratio with the projects that are currently being developed. All right, so we're seeing that development with the blockchain. We're seeing the implementation, and I say this on this channel ad nauseum. Cardano is most, and my feelings with Cardano and why I think their biggest asset is it's relating to their low and slow approach when they look at how they develop on their roadmap. That is what attracted me to Cardano in the first place. You know, a lot of people look at Ethereum as basically how Bitcoin evolves into Ethereum, and now we look at like Cardano founder Hoskinson leaving Ethereum, starting Cardano, and you couple that with how you can learn from your mistakes and benefit from learning from your mistakes, as well as developing, and kind of just that's just what impresses me, guys, is their development and their strategy along their roadmap. And it's not just because it's not flashy doesn't mean it's not working. All right, a lot of people lose sight of that when they look at stuff. They want it now. This is a now society. So when we talk about Cardano and how Hoskinson navigates down that roadmap, I think we see more and more the proof is in the pudding when Cardano does hit it, when they do get it right. I think that's when you see really the investors rally and the price is very evident. Okay, so that's what I got in terms of my feelings with Cardano. But please remember, all things financial in crypto, do your own research. This is not financial advice. Okay, but when we talk about despite this rally with the community and their developments, okay, this is still seeing a slump with our price action currently. Okay, so despite having these milestone achievements from the IOG with the developments on the blockchain, this is enough to cause Cardano to run higher, okay? But as I said earlier in this video, Bitcoin, the broader trades, the liquidating that we saw on the Bitcoin side of things with some of the call positions, as well as what was happening with the Silvergate banking and a lot of crypto companies getting out of their positions in Bitcoin. That is something where, as we talk about a lot, where all tides rise and fall together. So when we talk about Bitcoin seeing some sell-off and a lot of selling pressure, that will generate and trickle down into the rest of crypto, especially the other altcoins that will most likely correlate with Bitcoin. So we will see Cardano kind of get the grunt of it when we talk about selling pressure with Bitcoin. However, Their roadmap is there, guys. The updates are coming. The protocol is building and it is developing and evolving smoothly. So I think, as we saw with despite not being tied in and interconnected with the sell-off coming from Alameda Research, where Cardano was not linked with that pair, I think that is something where we will see a lot of more resilience to other cryptos with Cardano. I think it's kind of paving its own way, if you will, where we see the likes of, Bitcoin and Ethereum kind of going. They can do their own direction when on the charts. Like, they can be up and one can be down. I think Cardano is joining that fold as they continue to evolve and grow. Okay, so that's what I got for you guys. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you have not done so, please subscribe for current up-to-date news videos daily surrounding Cardano and your favorite cryptos. But we will see you all in the next one.